What's your name?
My name is Jean. My husband's name is Walter, and we were anxiously looking for you.
All right.
So we can watch you.
Sounds good.
Thank you.
2022.
My son Mike.
All right.
Yes.
Enjoy. The weather's perfect.
Thank you for your service, for keeping this place looking the way it does.
You're welcome, I think.
All right. No, what's your name?
Pierre.
All righty. Thank you.
You're
You do a
welcome.
great job.
Thank you.
Then of course it's supposed to cool down on Monday.
Perfect.
Isn't that the way it works?
Bob, what's going on now from you too? Sure, take a look at him now. I know he's not that good looking, but just look up.
It looks great. If you want your t-shirt cut up like this, come to Willie.
Thank you, guys.
Your name's Alyssa. Alyssa.
It's like drawing blood from a stone. Yeah, well, 'cause loving you is like drawing blood from a stone. Oh, tell me now, I'm trying to. I work myself to the bone. JT, it's like drawing blood from a stone. It's like drawing blood from a stone.
Let's make some noise for Jack shit here. It gets you in trouble, Henry. So I want
No, I'm good.
Got the flamethrower, of course. It's not a trailer queen. We ride it. I ride it. That was my son hitting it. He rides his little Grom and crazy little Honda over there. And we're from Charlotte. And we love coming down here. It's his first time down here. 17 years old. So.
What year is it again?
It's a 09 Road King. And I just believe.
Did you do all the work on it?
No, I did the stereo. A buddy of mine did the stereo and the flamethrower. And I bought it from a guy in Ohio that actually did all the other nitrous theme, because it does have nitrous to the motor, and it does have, I'll show you, it's got a nitrous purge on the fender, so you can see that it comes up. But you know, the biggest thing is I'm down here with my son. That's the most important thing.
Have a good time.
He's 17 years old.
Yeah.